What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan blueberry muffins. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. These are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make your blueberry muffins. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 375. In a small bowl, you want to mix your coconut milk and your lemon juice. And you want to mix this up and set it aside. In a separate large bowl, you're going to add the remaining of your ingredients. And guys, I apologize. I thought the camera was facing towards the bowl. That was my fault. I thought I had positioned it right. But don't worry, I got you guys here shortly. I will be shifting the bowl over so you can see me mixing up everything. And as you can see, I am mixing as I go. This is all the dry ingredients that I'm mixing right here. Add in your sugar. Now we're going to add in our coconut mixture. Add in your lemon zest. Vanilla extract. Add in your coconut oil. Make sure it's in liquid form. Y'all, I try to use a whisk to mix this up, but once I added those wet ingredients, it started getting thicker, so I had to switch to my old school blender. So y'all don't come from my blender. I got that from my grandma, God rest her soul. I still got it, and it worked miracles this day. I told you I got y'all. I was going to shift that bowl back over so y'all can see what I was mixing up over there. It was hidden for a little minute, but I got y'all. Don't worry, I got y'all. Now we're going to add in our blueberries, and we're going to mix this up for a few more minutes. Now you're going to fill up your cupcake cups. Don't fill it all the way up to the top. I would say probably a little over halfway, because you don't want, once it starts baking, you don't want it to overflow and make a mess. Place your cupcakes in the oven. Bake those for 20 to 25 minutes. Now that these are done, let's see how they taste. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.